Want to learn cybersecurity for free? Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills, I've got the best free cybersecurity courses for 2025. These courses are from top companies like IBM, AWS, Cisco, Microsoft, and more, and they won't cost you a penny. Check out the links in the video description to start learning today. Let's dive in. Cybersecurity is one of the most in-demand skills today, with companies paying top salaries to protect their data. From ethical hacking to cloud security, there are endless career opportunities in this field. And the best part? You don't need to spend thousands on courses. These free training programs will give you hands-on experience and even certifications to boost your resume. So let's check out these free courses and how they can help you build your cybersecurity career. IBM offers a fantastic Cybersecurity Foundations course through Skills Build. It covers cybersecurity principles, network security basics, risk management, hands-on labs, and real-world case studies. Perfect for beginners who want to start learning from scratch and gain industry-recognized certificates. Find the link in the description below. Cloud security is a must-have skill in 2025, and AWS Training and Skill Builder helps you master identity and access management, or IAM, securing AWS cloud services and compliance and risk management. If you're interested in cloud security careers, this free training is a game changer. Ever wondered how companies detect cyber threats in real time? That's what SIEM, or Security Information and Event Management, is all about. With Splunk's free training, you'll learn how to analyze security logs, how to detect cyber threats, and how to use SIEM tools to investigate attacks. If you want to specialize in cybersecurity analytics, this is a must-have course. Networking and cybersecurity go hand in hand, and Cisco's Intro to Cybersecurity covers cyber threats and attack types, basics of ethical hacking, and network security best practices. It's one of the best beginner-friendly courses and is highly recognized by employers worldwide. Find the course link in the description. If you're looking to get into IT security and compliance, Microsoft Learn has free courses covering Security Fundamentals, Identity and Access Management, and Cloud Security and Compliance. Bonus! You can even earn Microsoft certifications for free and boost your resume. Course link is in the description. Course Careers offers a structured cybersecurity pathway that helps beginners learn step-by-step cybersecurity skills, build projects, and gain real-world experience, and find job opportunities with top companies. If you need a guided roadmap to break into cybersecurity, this is a great place to start. Link available in the description. So, which course are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. All the course links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more free cybersecurity resources, ethical hacking tutorials, and career tips. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.